Fast travel settings. Step 1. All the joysticks on the remote control return to the middle position. All the switches are turned off. The fast and slow switches are in the fast position, and the unlock switches are in the locked position. Step 2. Press the flame out button. And turn on the power switch of the remote control. After observing that the signal light and the power light flash alternately, it means that you have entered the learning mode, and release the flame out button. Step 3. Gently and slowly push the action rocker that needs to be set. While pushing, observe whether the lever on the multi-way valve is in place. Push it until the lever on the multi-way valve is just in place. Then keep the rocker's position still. At the same time, press the start button to confirm. And you can let go. The other direction is the same operation. Step 4. After setting up all the fast gear strokes of the above joystick, unlock and exit.